Sunshine this morning, not really a cloud in the sky. And we are approaching the Hoover Dam exit. And a big welcome from Hoover Dam. Lovely temperature, so I've got my Aussie hat on. Nice bright shirt to walk across the dam. And we're going to be, again, bringing you guys with us. Look at this. Here now, the spillways here at Hoover Dam. That's just absolutely fantastic. That is to see them. Let's just take it that way as well for you. Fabulous. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use the Insta360, and we're going to drop down and have a look under the spillway tunnel as we go across there. Wow. Right, here we go. So let's have a look at what we've got here. If you see water flowing in the spillway, you're witnessing a historic event. Last time waters of the Colorado River flowed through the spillway was 1983. Ronald Reagan was president and gas cost 93 cents. When Lake Mead is full, water flows through the spillway around the dam, and the water travels through the massive tunnels that were built to divert the water during construction. Now, I really like this one. Each of the two spillways that we're seeing here can handle the flow of Niagara Falls. And Lake Mead is the largest man-made lake in the United States, and it contains enough water to cover the entire state of Pennsylvania to a depth of 1 foot. And between 1998 and 2015, drought caused the lake to drop 150 feet. That's incredible, isn't it? So we're looking at the spillway that was only ever used again then in 1983. But when we come with Stephen Dorian in 2000-2001, there was a trickle of water coming over. I'm so glad you guys can join us on day 4. Day 4 we're going to have some fabulous scenery. And yeah, with Glenn's going to get the 360 up to get some even more stunning scenery as we walk around Hoover Dam this morning. And we'll also look here now as we come across the spillway tunnel at the top. So we should be getting some absolutely fabulous footage here for you. So shortly we will be taking the paddle steamer, which will take us to that part of Hoover Dam to give us a bit of a better view. Danger, keep off the walls. Definitely don't want to head down there. And of course, we're going to tell you some facts again about the dam using ChatGPT. So, location on the border of Nevada and Arizona, spanning the Colorado River here at Black Canyon. Construction built between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression, employing thousands of workers. Size, 726 feet, taller than a 60-story building. Length, 1,244 feet. Base thickness, 660 feet. 2 football pitches wide. Materials, 3.25 million cubical yards of concrete were used. So that's enough to pave a road from San Francisco to New York. And the reservoir it created, the Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States when volume is full. Houses 17 hydroelectric turbines and it produces about 4 billion kilowatts of electricity annually. Provides power to Nevada, Arizona and California. 21,000 people worked on the project. Records note 96 fatalities during construction. Wow. And it attracts 7 million people here every year. And this is one of my favourite views. And I'm looking forward to the cruise. Something different. And you've got Glenn with the 8-foot selfie pole there. And he's going to be getting some fabulous footage as he walks across the dam today. Now, you remember last year, what did I say? I gave you some jokes, didn't I? It's damned hot. It's damn big. And I damn love it. And I tell you what, I damn love it where it's absolutely quiet. There's only me and Glenn on the Hoover Dam today. So we can have a really good time and enjoying creating content for you guys on this beautiful Wednesday morning here in Arizona. But we're soon going to be crossing over into Nevada. And this is the Arizona Tower. Loving the Art Deco of Hoover Dam. And the Mike O'Callaghan Bridge. Security this morning as we pass over. You can hear the tourist helicopters heading out to get some fabulous views this morning. I still can't get over the size of the dam. So we're walking on top of the dam here. It's probably what, 40 feet across, and at the bottom of us over 600 feet, 2 football fields. Unbelievable. And look at that, look at the stunning Lake Mead behind us. So you guys that are watching, have you been to Hoover Dam? If you have, put it in the comments right now and let me know what you thought about it. But I damn love it. And we reach the point now where this side here is Arizona and over here is Nevada. So I've got my left foot in Arizona, right foot in the state of Nevada. Silver State, Grand Canyon State. And look at that fabulous view that we've got this morning. The humidity's gone a lot today now. Actually more of a drier heat. So chilled out. We're having a fabulous time so far. And I'm hoping we're bringing you guys wonderful content. And as you know, me and Glenn really enjoy creating content, capturing moments for you guys. And this is the Nevada side of the towers. You can see how far the water has dropped, and we're going to see that as we go on the cruise today. Let's carry on walking and get across to where it says Hoover Dam exhibitions. So I'm coming now to the actual Nevada water tower, water intake tower. That should be absolutely brilliant to see as well. Well, I think it's getting hotter and hotter as I get across here. The rock formation is just absolutely incredible. Such a beautiful morning. Hoover Dam, 1931 to 1935. 4 years to build. And how long would it take now? It would sort of, it'd take years, probably 10 years or longer. We finally started work here. It must be like, oh, I can't remember how many years since I was able to go and put my hands on the feet of those statues for luck. They are seem to be doing a lot more, and the sidewalk is closed at the moment. Let's see if these guys let us across, and they do, because it is state law to allow people across the dam. We're just going to have a quick look over the dam. That's just, wow, amazing, isn't it? All the way down there. Beautiful. So you can't think, we're looking down there. Right below me is 726 feet. Unbelievable. I always think when I'm here, I remember one thing, one memory that always comes. Superman. During that earthquake, where all this started collapsing, was it Jimmy that had to be saved by Superman? Right, let's continue on. Hoover Dam tours, we haven't done that for years and years. Love to do that if I've got time again. That'd be pretty cool. Elevator down to the ticket centre, or you can take the escalators there. Loving the palm trees there against the rocks. And of course, when we get here, there is always paying our respects to the lovely dog of Hoover Dam. Okay, so the dog who owned the dam, the Hoover Dam mascot, only acted as if he owned the dam, but without a doubt, he owned the hearts of the workers. So the Hoover Dam dog, couldn't get my words out then, was adored by workers. His limit was eating, prepared him a single daily meal which he carried to the job in a paper sack each day. Now, he lies under the concrete right here. So the Hoover Dam's construction crew mascot was found as a puppy by workers at the construction camp. Dog travelled to and from the dam site with them and spent days visiting the many areas. But on February the 21st, 1941, the life of this devoted animal came to an end when a truck, which he was sitting under and sleeping, rolled over him. The grave below was completed by workers later that day. So this is the grave that was completed in 1941. What a wonderful dog. He really enjoyed being here with the workers in this fabulous place. We've reached the high scaler. Still there, still standing. Let's have a read of the signs. Always something interesting to look at. So scaling is the process of removing loose rock from the cliff face. High scalers dandle from ropes using jackhammers, drills for the holes to put dynamite in, and after blast they return to pry any loose rock off there. Wow. And up here is the monument to the high scaler. So yeah, they were hundreds of feet in the air, and it's dedicated to all the men who laboured to build Hoover Dam. 98 of them lost their lives in the phases of this project. Right, okay, using the Osmo Pocket 3 to capture this kind of footage for you today with the big selfie pole there. It's absolutely amazing, isn't it? Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Is it damned amazing? Is it damn great? Is it damn fantastic? Damn, let me know. I could spend all day just looking over the wall here, looking down at the Colorado River, heading down towards Southern California. Just beautiful. Look at the traffic heading across the bridge and all the power cables. Simply beautiful. All right, we will continue to walk back into Arizona and towards the van. I can feel the sun beating on me now, and the time 8:50 a.m. What a stunning day. So great to come on holiday, or as vacation as we say here in the USA, and just chill out and relax from the stresses of everyday life. And what's so good is the content that Glenn's creating right now with the big 360. I'm going to enjoy it, Glenn's going to enjoy it, Mum, Nick, and you guys too, throughout the winter that we're about to have in the UK. So we'll be able to watch all this beautiful sunshine and enjoy it.
So look at that now. As we look over the dam there, and I'll drop the camera down so we can have a look there as well. But that should just give me absolutely spectacular footage there here of the Hoover Dam.
726 feet.
Wave to the camera then.
That's just going to be
an absolute superb,
amazing
picture there. We'll drop down there now, so we're looking down the dam or up the dam to where we're standing. So yeah, that should be a pretty wild shot I'm getting you here of the Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam, named in honour of Herbert Clark Hoover, 31st President of the United States. Looking down the river there. And that's last year, if you check out the video where we went on the rafting tour. We have to do that again next year. That was really, really good. How amazing footage is that going to be? So Glenn's got the 360 camera looking out down over the dam today. Now look at that. And that's a damn big pole. Look at that. So let me know in the comments right now, are you guys damn loving the videos that we're bringing to you? So far, travel out day we've done day 1, day 2, day 3, and this is day 4 of our trip around the western USA. And we are now moments away, crossing back into Arizona. Let's have a look down what we can see. Absolutely fabulous, isn't it? Look at that. Amazing. Colorado River starts in Colorado Mountains and eventually comes out in Mexico. I still can't get over reading the facts. 726 feet high, 221 meters, taller than a 60-story building, thickness 660 feet at the bottom here, 2 football fields wide, 40 odd feet across at the moment. And I think this is definitely the one that blows me away. 3.25 million cubic yards of concrete were used, enough to pave a road from San Francisco to New York City. Wow. It's fabulous. Absolutely loving it. Memories are when we first come in 1988, this is where you would come for the ticket centre, and you can still see the area where you'd put your cards or the cash, and then you would enter here and go down into the dam. But now they're getting millions and millions of tourists, so the main centre is down there. I've never really stopped and read this. So the Colorado development, 1902, President Theodore Roosevelt signed the Reclamation Act. 1922, Colorado River Company signed Santa Fe on November the 24th. 1928, Boulder Canyon Project was introduced. 1930, contracts for sale for electrical energy. 1931, bids opened for construction of Boulder Dam and the power plant. 1932, the river diversion completed. 1933, the first concrete placed in the dam, June the 6th. 1935, storage of water commenced February the 1st. 1935, last concrete placed in the dam, May 29th, 1935. And the first generation of power, September the 11th, 1936. Dedication by President Franklin Delano Roosevelt, right here in Hoover Dam, September the 30th, 1935. Incredible. I'm loving all the different view spots. Glenn's got his 360 selfie now. Wow, look at that. 726 feet. All the way down. That's just going to be...
It's just going to be an absolute superb.
Amazing shot, isn't it? Absolutely. And finally a bit of shade, really nice. And a fabulous view of Hoover Dam there. So hope you guys have enjoyed walking across Hoover Dam on this Wednesday morning. It's a big thumbs up from me.